German greetings for beginners.
Hallo. Hallo.
Hello. A universal and informal greeting suitable for most situations.
Hallo. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen.
Good morning. Used until around midday to greet someone politely.
Guten Morgen. Guten Tag. Guten Tag.
Good day or good afternoon. A more formal way to greet someone, often used after midday until early evening.
Guten Tag. Guten Abend. Guten Abend.
Good evening. Used in the evening to greet someone politely or formally.
Guten Abend. Hi. Hi.
Hi. A casual, universal greeting, commonly used among friends or peers.
Hi. Servus. Servus.
Hi or bye. Popular in southern Germany and Austria, this term works as both a greeting and a farewell.
Servus. Moin. Moin.
Hello. Common in northern Germany, this friendly greeting is often used throughout the day.
Moin. Na. Na.
Hi, how are things? A very casual and informal way of asking how someone is, usually among friends.
Na. Wie geht's? Wie geht's?
How are you? A common and informal way of asking someone how they are doing.
Wie geht's? Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir?
How are you? Informal. A slightly longer, more polite version of
Wie geht's?
used with friends or acquaintances.
Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen?
How are you? Formal. A respectful version, used with strangers, elders, or in formal settings.
Wie geht es Ihnen? Mir geht's gut, danke. Und dir? Mir geht's gut, danke. Und dir?
I'm good, thanks. And you? Informal. A polite way to respond and reciprocate the question in casual settings.
Mir geht's gut, danke. Und dir? Mir geht es gut, danke. Und Ihnen? Mir geht es gut, danke. Und Ihnen?
I'm good, thanks. And you? Formal. A formal equivalent, suitable for professional or respectful interactions.
Mir geht es gut, danke. Und Ihnen? Alles klar. Alles klar.
All good. A brief, casual response, indicating everything is fine.
Alles klar. Es geht. Es geht.
I'm okay. A neutral response, indicating you're doing all right, but not great.
Es geht. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen.
Goodbye. A formal farewell, often used in professional or polite settings.
Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Tschüss.
Bye. Informal. A casual way of saying goodbye, commonly used with friends or family.
Tschüss. Ciao. Ciao.
Bye. Casual, borrowed from Italian. A brief, casual response, indicating everything is fine.
Ciao. Bis bald. Bis bald.
See you soon. Used when you expect to meet the person again soon.
Bis bald. Bis später. Bis später.
See you later. A casual farewell used when you'll see the person later the same day.
Bis später. Bis morgen. Bis morgen.
See you tomorrow. A friendly way to say goodbye if you plan to meet the next day.
Bis morgen. Ade. Ade.
Bye. Specific to the Swabian region, this is a friendly farewell.
Ade. Fiat di. Fiat di.
Bye. A casual Austrian-Bavarian farewell, meaning take care.
Fiat di. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht.
Good night. A polite way to wish someone a good night, often used before going to bed.
Gute Nacht.
Thank you. Like and subscribe.